Hi guys, Sister Dlamini Lona, Mbujini Clinic. I'm here to talk about long-term contraceptives. I'll be focusing on implanting ne IUCD. So implanting nayi advantage yokusebenzisa implant is that uhlala 3 full years without coming to a clinic uzohlela. Kulo 3 years kuyenzeka just like any other medication umuntu ayisebenzisayo kuyenzeka ukuthi umuntu abe nalento ekuthiwa i-abnormal PV bleeding eyenza ukuthi ke manje umuntu azathi ucabanga ukuyikhipha. No, into ejwayelekile leyo, but sinayo amaphilisi akhona ukusiza ukuthi ungabi nenkinga e-bleeding. Imnandi ngoba uhlala u3 years. Siyeke lento kuba lalela ama-myths abantu ukuthi iyaphuma iyasuka enhlizweni zonke lezo zinto. No, it doesn't, because ifaka just nje ngaphansi kweskin, so it's impossible ukuthi ihambe enhlizweni. So it's better because hlala 3 full years without coming to a clinic ngoba niyazi clinic kuyagcwala and all that. So it's best wenze njani, ufake implant. So bese siba ne-loop. I-loop ke currently I don't have it at the moment to show you ukuthi into enjani, but i-loop ihlala 5 years. The nicest thing about it is that it doesn't have hormones. Ayinama hormones. It has less side effects, ne, because uzoya normally esikhathini njengonjwayelo nje. So there's no need ukuthi it's like awuhleli kodwa umuhlela, because awunama side effects, awubleed, awunalutho, uya normally esikhathini. Yona ifakwa esibelethweni, ayiphumi unless ke une heavy bleeding, iyaphuma sometimes. Ayiphumi iye wonke laba mithi sijwayele ukwezwa ngama-loop, cha ayenzeki leyo nto. Ihlala 5 years uyifakile emzimbeni wakho, uphinde futhi uma usufuna ukubuya. Into emnandi ngayo, immediately once you remove it, i-fertility nje siyahlala isisu uma uzokuthi usufuna ingane. Same thing as i-implant. If uyifakile immediately uma usufuna ingane, the day uyikhipha siyahlala isisu. So kulula usheshe ubambe than the other contraceptive methods. So let's try Ulux. It's best ukuthi sihlele ngawo than ukusebenzisa ama-injectables no oral, because oral uzokhohlwa, injectable you miss i-date. Kanti with this one it's best uma uzama long contraceptive method. Bye.